Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove a device on your Ring app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay you'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do, first of all, go ahead, access your Ring app on your mobile phone. Tap on this three horizontal line, go to dashboard first, because this is the first interface you're going to access once you have opened up your mobile app. Afterwards, what you're going to do, tap on this three horizontal line on your top left again, and tap on this option called devices over here. Now go ahead, tap the device that you would like to remove. For me, I do not have any yet. For you, you can find your devices over here. Go ahead, tap on the particular one. Now tap on the device settings option that will be given above, and tap on this general settings afterwards that will be given in the menu section. And now you will find this option called tap remove this device on the bottom of the screen. Over here in this section you will find remove this device option. Go ahead, tap on it. Again, it will ask for your confirmation. Go ahead, confirm it, and then afterwards you will be able to remove your particular Ring device from your Ring app like that easily. So yes guys, this will be it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.